Old wooden doors found in historic cities are a testament to timeless craftsmanship and beauty. These doors, with their intricate designs and sturdy construction, have stood the test of time, showcasing the skill and dedication of the artisans who created them. Even after many years, their durability remains unmatched, serving as a lasting legacy of an era when attention to detail and quality materials were paramount. These doors not only serve a practical purpose but also add a touch. The charm of these old wooden doors lies in their unique designs, each telling its own story. The intricate carvings and decorative elements reflect the cultural influences and artistic styles of the period in which they were made. Walking through a street lined with such doors is like stepping back in time, where each door whispers secrets of the past. These doors often feature hand-forged ironwork, such as hinges and handles, which add to their character and appeal. The use of high-quality wood and traditional joinery techniques has ensured that these doors have remained robust and functional over the decades. The natural aging of the wood adds to their beauty, with rich patinas and textures that tell a story of resilience and endurance. These doors have witnessed countless events, standing as silent guardians of the history they have seen unfold. Their continued presence in modern times serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving. Moreover, old wooden doors contribute significantly to the aesthetic value of historic neighborhoods. They provide a visual harmony that is often lacking in contemporary architecture. Their presence enhances the overall ambience, making these areas more attractive to residents and visitors alike. Preserving and restoring these doors is not just about maintaining a piece of history, it is about respecting the artistry and craftsmanship of a bygone. In conclusion, the old wooden doors found in historic cities are more than just entryways. They are symbols of a rich cultural legacy. Their beauty, craftsmanship, and durability continue to inspire admiration and respect. By appreciating and preserving these doors, we honor the artisans who created them and ensure that future generations can enjoy their timeless charm. These doors, standing strong and proud, remind us of the enduring impact of quality craftsmanship and the stories that history.
Like, share, subscribe.